7 simple exercises to relieve sciatic nerve pain at home.
Audio Jungle.
That sharp pain running from your back down your leg. Every step feels like it's on fire. But here's the good news.
Audio Jungle.
You're not alone. And you can feel better with just a few minutes of movement each day. Here are 7 simple and safe exercises to help relieve sciatica pain right from the comfort of your home. No medication, no special equipment, just a soft mat and your decision to start. Exercise 1. Knee to chest stretch, 30 seconds each leg. Purpose: stretches the lower back, relieves pressure on the sciatic nerve, helps relax the hips, buttocks, and the lumbar spine. How to do it. Lie on your back and bend one knee toward your chest. Hold the knee with both hands and gently pull it closer. Keep the other leg relaxed and straight. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Breathe slowly and deeply throughout. Exercise 2. Cat-cow stretch, 10 repetitions. Purpose: improves spinal mobility, reduces stiffness in the lower back, and promotes nerve decompression. Perfect for seniors with mild disc issues or sciatic pain. How to do it. Get on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale. Arch your back, lift your head and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale. Round your spine, tuck your chin toward your chest, cat pose. Repeat 10 times with a smooth breathing rhythm. Exercise 3. Piriformis stretch, figure 4 stretch. Purpose: releases tension in the deep gluteal muscle, piriformis, which often compresses the sciatic nerve. Relieves pain that radiates from the hip down the leg. How to do it. Lie on your back. Bend your left leg and cross your right ankle over the left knee. Grab your left thigh and gently pull it toward your chest. You should feel a stretch in your right hip. Hold for 30 seconds. Then switch sides. Exercise 4. Child's pose, 30 seconds. Purpose: gently stretches the lower back and spine, helps release nerve tension, and improves blood circulation. How to do it. Kneel on the floor, sit back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward and lower your forehead to the floor. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply for 30 to 60 seconds. Exercise 5. Supine spinal twist, 30 seconds each side. Purpose: opens up the hips and gently twists the spine, reducing pressure on the sciatic nerve. How to do it. Lie flat on your back with your left leg extended. Bend your right knee and bring it across your body to the left side. Keep both shoulders flat on the floor. Hold for 30 seconds and switch sides. Exercise C. Straight leg raise, 5 to 10 seconds each leg. Purpose: strengthens abdominal and lower back muscles to stabilize the spine and reduce nerve compression. How to do it. Lie on your back with both legs extended. Lift one leg 30-45 degrees, keeping it straight. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then lower slowly. Repeat 5 times per leg. Exercise 7. Deep breathing while lying down, 1 minute. Purpose: promotes full body relaxation, reduces stress, and calms nerve activity. Essential for recovery. How to do it. Lie on your back and place one hand on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your belly rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your belly fall. Repeat for about 1 minute with 8 to 10 deep breaths. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like to help spread valuable wellness tips. Share it with your parents, grandparents, or anyone embracing graceful aging. And don't forget to subscribe for more gentle health advice, one small habit at a time.